Ewu nwụrụ n'ọba abụghị agụụ gburu ya. This is an Igbo proverb. Literally, it means that the goat that dies in a barn was not killed by hunger. Figuratively, it means that somebody could be in plenty and still have needs. Plenty, wealth does not immune anybody from life's challenges. Okay, let's see it word by word. Ewu nwụrụ n'ọba abụghị agụụ gburu ya. Ewu goat nwụrụ died n'ọba in a barn abụghị was not agụụ gburu ya killed by agụụ. Ya is the ewu abụghị agụụ gburu ya. Ewu nwụrụ n'ọba abụghị agụụ gburu ya. Ewu goat nwụrụ died n'ọba in a barn abụghị was not agụụ hunger gburu killed ya it. So it means that the goat that died in a barn was not killed by hunger. Was not killed by hunger. Agụụ means hunger. So plenty, wealth does not immune anybody from life's challenges. Rather. So this is it today. See you in my next one. Kemesia, please make sure to subscribe and share my video. Kemesia.